Student Code of Conduct. The following excerpts are taken from a real school student code of conduct booklet. We're going to skip down here to the second paragraph. Freedom of expression. Students have the right to assemble and express themselves by speaking, writing, distributing, wearing, or displaying symbols of ethnic, cultural, or political values, such as buttons, badges, emblems, and armbands, or through any mode of dress or grooming style, or through any other medium or form of expression. The principal or designee, however, may regulate expression, which means limit that expression, provided the regulation is based on legitimate educational concerns. There is a factual basis for believing a specific form of expression by a specific student is causing or will cause substantial disruption of school activities, or the expression constitutes a health or safety hazard. Students shall also have the right to refrain from expressing themselves in these student-originated activities.